Shulpaneshwar Wildlife Sanctuary, an eco-tourist place in the Narmada district of Gujarat. This is lush, beautiful Ninai waterfall, flowing and making its way through stony and rocky hurdles, giving a message how to overcome the hurdles in life's journey. Coming down from uphills to the ground, it makes a pretty lake, adding aesthetic look to the nature of this region. A vast undulating terrain, ever-pervading greenery, deep valleys, somber rocks, and adventurous hollow roads. This is Shulpaneshwar for you.